Welcome back everyone. Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful and advanced dozers in the heavy equipment industry. The 2025 Liebherr PR 776 Bulldozer. This machine is a real masterpiece of engineering, combining raw pushing power, durability, and cutting-edge technology into a package designed for the most demanding work sites on the planet. Whether you're in large-scale mining, quarrying, or heavy earth moving, this dozer represents the top tier of what modern construction machinery can do. In this video, we'll explore its exterior design, the interior cabin experience, performance details, and finally, the pricing that comes with owning such a massive piece of iron. The first thing that stands out about the 2025 Liebherr PR 776 is its size and sheer presence. This dozer doesn't just look big, it is big, with a working weight class in the 70-ton range depending on configuration. The exterior styling reflects Liebherr's latest design language, angular, purposeful, and built to emphasize strength. The front features a massive blade, designed to handle an extraordinary range of materials from soft overburden to tough, rocky terrain. Its shape and curve are optimized to cut, carry, and roll material with maximum efficiency. You can choose from semi-UU blade or straight blade configurations, each engineered to meet specific site demands. Walking around the machine, you notice how robust every single component looks. The track frames are engineered to handle relentless punishment. The undercarriage is built with heavy-duty rollers, idlers, and links that extend service life even in extreme mining conditions. The wide track shoes distribute the dozer's weight efficiently, giving it excellent ground contact and stability. Ground clearance is high enough to deal with rough terrain, but low enough to keep the machine's center of gravity stable. The sides of the machine reveal access panels that are intelligently placed for maintenance. Liebherr has clearly prioritized ease of serviceability, with wide-opening engine doors and ground-level service points. This means less downtime and safer working conditions for technicians. At the rear, you'll see a single shank or multi-shank ripper option, depending on what you need. The ripper is engineered to penetrate deep into hard ground, making it easier for the blade to handle material afterward. This rear attachment is one of the defining features of a machine that isn't just about pushing dirt, it's about breaking, ripping, and reshaping landscapes. Climbing up to the operator's cabin, Liebherr has made sure safety and comfort are top priorities. Access steps are wide, anti-slip, and positioned at an ergonomic angle. Handrails surround the entry points, and lighting is strategically placed to guide operators during low-light conditions. Once you step into the cab, it feels more like a modern high-tech workstation than a traditional bulldozer cockpit. The interior is surprisingly spacious, offering plenty of legroom and visibility in all directions. One of the highlights of the PR 776 interior is its panoramic view. The glass area is large, with slim structural pillars that don't block the operator's line of sight. This clear visibility is crucial on large work sites where safety is always a concern. The operator's seat is air suspended, fully adjustable, and equipped with heating and cooling features to keep comfort consistent during long shifts. Every control is placed within natural reach, reducing operator fatigue. Instead of bulky mechanical levers, you get electronic joysticks that respond with precision to the operator's commands. These joysticks control both the blade and the ripper, allowing smooth, accurate movements even under heavy load. The dashboard is digital, displaying real-time machine data, engine status, fuel consumption, and performance parameters. Liebherr has integrated its latest assistance systems into the PR 776, meaning the operator can rely on advanced technology to improve efficiency. The cab is also heavily insulated to reduce noise and vibration, which is no small feat in a machine of this size. Air conditioning is standard, but it goes beyond just cooling. It maintains a clean, pressurized environment with filtration systems to keep dust out, USB ports, storage compartments, and ergonomic design touches make it a workspace where operators can actually feel comfortable during marathon shifts. Now let's talk performance, because this is where the Liebherr PR 776 truly earns its reputation. Under the hood is a Liebherr-designed V12 diesel engine, built to comply with the latest emissions standards without sacrificing power. This engine produces more than 750 horsepower, giving the dozer extraordinary pushing capability. What's impressive about Liebherr engines is that they are built in, meaning every component is optimized for heavy-duty performance and long-term reliability. The torque output is massive, allowing the machine to maintain steady blade loads even when cutting into dense material. The powertrain is fully hydrostatic, which sets the PR 776 apart from many competitors in its class. Hydrostatic drive means the machine can deliver continuous power to the tracks without gear shifts, resulting in smooth, efficient movement. It also allows for immediate changes in direction, which boosts productivity on dash site. The hydrostatic system also contributes to fuel efficiency. Instead of wasting energy through mechanical losses, the PR 776 can adapt power delivery to match the load requirements. This helps operators save on fuel costs over the long run. Liebherr claims that this dozer can deliver significant savings compared to traditional torque converter systems, especially in operations where fuel consumption is a major cost factor. Another advantage of the hydrostatic system is how it improves maneuverability. Despite its massive size, the PR 776 can turn almost within its own length thanks to independent track control. This makes it easier to position the machine accurately, even in confined spaces within a large mining pit or quarry. For operators, this translates to less time spent repositioning and more time actually moving material. Durability is another area where the PR 776 shines. The cooling system is oversized and designed for extreme climates, from hot desert operations to freezing Arctic conditions. The modular design of the components means easier maintenance and quicker part replacements. Liebherr also integrates telematics into this dozer, allowing fleet managers to track machine performance, location, fuel use, and maintenance needs in real time. This data-driven approach to management ensures downtime is minimized and productivity remains consistent in terms of capability. The blade capacity of the PR 776 is massive. Depending on configuration, it can move upwards of 22 cubic yards of material in a single pass. This makes it an extremely productive machine for overburden removal, stockpile management, and road building in mines. The ripper on the back can handle even the toughest rock formations, breaking them down so the blade can finish the job. Safety is built into every part of this machine. Beyond visibility and access features, Liebherr incorporates automatic fire suppression systems, advanced braking, and stability controls. Cameras and monitoring systems can be integrated to give operators a full 360-degree awareness of their surroundings. These are not just luxuries, they're critical features in higher-risk work environments. Now, let's address one of the most important aspects: the cost. The 2025 Liebherr PR 776 Bulldozer doesn't come cheap. But then again, no machine of this size and capability does. The base price for a new PR 776 can range between $2.5 to $3 million, depending on configuration, attachments, and technology packages. With advanced options like telematics integration, automated blade control systems, or specialized mining blades, the cost can climb higher. For large mining companies, this price tag is justified by the productivity, efficiency, and reliability the PR 776 delivers. When considering the investment, companies look at the total cost of ownership, and this is where Liebherr machines often shine. The in-house engine, hydrostatic drive, and long-life components are designed to minimize fuel consumption, extend service intervals, and reduce downtime. Over years of operation, these savings can add up to millions, making the initial purchase price easier to justify. Resale value is also strong with Liebherr dozers, especially with proper maintenance records. Many mining contractors know that the PR 776 is built for longevity, and second-hand buyers are willing to pay a premium for a used machine that has been well cared for. From a big picture perspective, the 2025 Liebherr PR 776 is not just a bulldozer. It's a flagship statement from Liebherr that they're pushing the boundaries of what a crawler dozer can be. It combines brute force with refined control, comfort with ruggedness, and raw horsepower with smart technology. This machine is a perfect example of how modern heavy equipment is evolving to be more powerful, more efficient, and more operator-friendly than ever before. If you imagine this dozer working in a mining environment, carving through overburden, managing massive stockpiles, or building haul roads for trucks, you can see why it is considered one of the most advanced dozers on the market today. Operators benefit from a comfortable, high-tech working environment. Fleet managers appreciate the telematics and reliability. Owners see value in reduced operating costs and long-term durability. To sum it up, the 2025 Liebherr PR 776 Bulldozer is a beast in every sense of the word. It is massive, powerful, technologically advanced, and designed for efficiency. From its commanding exterior to its operator-focused interior, from its hydrostatic powertrain to its long-term ownership value, th.